Today I'm going to show you how your business can rank higher in Google Maps with a free Chrome app called GMB Crush. So stay tuned. Okay, there's a free Chrome app called GMB Crush. This is their website, gmbcrush.com, and they'll show you how to dominate the local three pack. That's the top three results in Google Maps for a search term. So if I'm looking for, let's say, dentist in El Paso, I'll have the maps listing first. These are the top three, what we call the three pack. And we're going to be spying on what these top three listings, what they're doing to rank in the three pack. Now, there's a lot of different aspects to ranking in the three pack. And one of the things that you want to do when you just are creating a new listing or you have an existing listing is to find out what your competition is using for their categories. Now we can see here on their categories, we have emergency dental service for this one, dental clinic, and dental clinic. And if we look at some of the others, they're going to have other main GMB categories, but we want to find out some of the other ones that are hidden that Google can read because you can select more than one category. You can select, I believe, up to 9 different categories. So that's one of the things we're going to spy on, plus several other items. So if I go to this first one, emergency dentist El Paso, and I'm going to spy on a lot of information that they have here. And before, what we would have to do is look at each listing here and figure out how many reviews they have. We would have to do a special search by viewing the page source and doing a search to look for what their other GMB categories are. But with this Chrome extension, this is a much quicker path to finding out what these listings have and what they're doing with them. So I'm going to already have the Chrome extension for GMB Crush here. I'm going to click on that. And it tells you the steps here. Launch a Google Map search, select the GMB property, and launch the search and wait until it's completed. So you can just click here to open a Google Map search. And I'm going to type in emergency dentist El Paso. And wait a few seconds for this to come up. Now, this is what GMB Crush found. The only categories they have is emergency dental service. Maybe that's all that what they do. Now you can find out additional information by clicking Search Now. And what it's going to do, it's going to pull all this information. So you have a box down here that says, "We are crushing, please wait." So you may have to wait a couple minutes for it to gather all the information to show you what they did. All right, so now we have the results for this listing. Again, only one category. It's not pulling in the ratings or reviews for some reason. It's pulling in the description. so we can see what the description is. And PC means post count, and they don't have any GMB posts. PC Go is how many posts in the last 90 days, and they don't have any. And PD is the post date, so they don't have any posts at all. Now you can download this to a CSV, like Excel or something, or you can just do a screenshot of this. You can copy and paste it somewhere. Any way you want to do this. So that's so you can look at what the top three listings and what they're doing. So this one has a top rating, but they're not completely they're not doing everything they should do. So we're going to clear that data, and then we're going to go back and look at El Paso Dental Care. All right, their main category is dental clinic. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to launch GMB Crush again. Open a Google Map search. Paste this in here. So I've clicked on El Paso Dental Care, and we can view their categories. Again, this will take a minute or so to do. So here's the categories found by GMB Crush, and you can see them right here. They have dental clinic as their main one. Then they have cosmetic dentist, dental implants periodontist, just dentist, denture care center, and orthodontist. So if you were a dentist and you have a GMB listing, and if you had any of these services that you do at your office, you may want to include these. These are specific categories that you select when you set up your GMB. You can't type these in yourself, but you may not know all of these exist. So now we can click Search Now, and we'll wait a couple of minutes for GMB Crush to do its work. Okay, so here's the results. El Paso Dental Care, the address. Here's the categories. Again, for some reason, it's not pulling in the ratings or reviews, but it has the review attributes like hygienist, family, cleaning, understanding. There's no description for this listing. Very interesting. And no post count. None for this listing. So, in other words, they're ranking, but they're not doing everything that's possible for a high ranking. So, this is an opportunity if you're a dentist in this area to beat them by including a lot of these things. Okay, we're going to go and do one more. So in the third listing, Traywood Family Dental, they just have the main category is dentist, no other categories found. So they just have one. And if I click on search now, it's going to go through the process of pulling in all the other data. Okay, Traywood Family Dental, they're not pulling in the categories or the ratings or reviews, but they have review attributes. They didn't find a description. There's no post on it. I do know when I looked at it, they had 100 reviews, which is very good. But again, this is how you can pull in the data for your competition to see what they're doing, and then you can try and do better than what they're doing. So I hope this found useful. It's called GMB Crush. I'll leave a link in the description of their website. So uh, everybody be blessed, and I'll see you next time.